Comfortable?
Who's driving the boat? Uh-oh. Yeah, these are nice.
Should have brought my skeleton so we could test that theory of... Hey, Derek.
Are we tacking or jibing?
We are going to do tack. Coming about? Some plastic in the water up there about 150 feet. See it straight out?
Oh yeah, what is that? What the fuck is it?
Bring her in. Bring her in. Alright, oops, hung up on the mast. There, let me go up there and get it. No, see right here? There it goes. That's pretty good. I like a nice full sail like that. Yeah, it's really...
It's an airplane wing.
Huh?
I was like, oh, this is bullshit. We went a quarter of a mile outside the jetty. I was like, turn around and go back, man. This is great.
Possibly gonna.
For Larry to turn around.
I can't believe that he would even, consider it. I'm going for the ride, man. Yeah, let's go. It was so crazy. I look back, that was horrendous, man. I never would have made it.
This way. Probably filming us. Sheriff?
Sheriff?
What does it say on the floats? Boatpics.com. He's taking our pics. Now he's going to throw a business card down.
That's a great show. I highly recommend that if you ever go to Vegas.
Boys?
What was that?
Jersey Boys.
Gays and Dolls?
It's a story of Frankie Valley and Four Seasons. But
Really?
it goes through the whole history of how they met.
I think Amanda and I are going to see that.
It's almost like a Broadway play with a whole bunch of singing in it, but it's really good. God, they sang the songs. Yeah, the girls are
It's a good feature. It is. That's it. See, it's too much. It's overpowering the boat. It's heading up.
That's a good safety feature.
The excessive wind.
Now here we go. Now it's going to just dump us.
Well, here, I know one thing you can do.
Put our life jackets on.
Easy though. Yeah, that right there is good.
That camera's not waterproof. Fucking shit fell on the floor again.
We're sailing now, Captain. Arr!
Alan, thank you for having us out here today. Darren?
Yeah, great day. Great day.
All right.